Hello everyone, iOS 26.5.1 has officially came out only for the iPhone 17, 17e, and the iPhone Airs. So you might be wondering how to fix your iPhone if for some reason it's not installing the update. Now number one, you have to have an iPhone 17, iPhone 17e, or iPhone Air to basically see this update. So you will not see this update if you don't have those iPhones. So please remember that, please keep that in mind. Now, on top of that, another slight problem you're going to run into here as well is basically going to be when it comes down to your storage. You want to make sure you have enough storage saved onto your device. That is going to be one of the big problems here. So open up your settings application of your iPhone, scroll down until you find your general settings right over here, then click into iPhone storage, which you have right over here. And then what you're going to want to do is just make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. So this is going to be another one of those things that you really want to go ahead and see. So double check your storage here, make sure it's all good. That's going to be another type of problem you're going to run into here. Now you also want to make sure you have enough battery saved on your iPhone as well. So just go through and make sure you have enough battery saved on your device, because that can be another one of those things that you might want to just double check just to make sure that you have enough battery saved. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.